I like to travel. I like to travel.
I want to go to the beach. I want to go to the beach.
We are going on a trip. We are going on a trip. I have a suitcase. I have a suitcase. The plane is fast. The plane is fast. I need my passport. I need my passport. She is at the airport. She is at the airport. He is on the train. He is on the train. We took many photos. We took many photos. I saw a big mountain. I saw a big mountain. They went to a new city. They went to a new city. I like to visit museums. I like to visit museums. We are staying in a hotel. We are staying in a hotel. The weather is nice. The weather is nice. I ate local food. I ate local food. We walked a lot. We walked a lot. I bought some gifts. I bought some gifts. The trip was fun. The trip was fun. We traveled by bus. We traveled by bus. I want to travel again. I want to travel again. She went to Paris. She went to Paris. It was a long journey. It was a long journey. He forgot his ticket. He forgot his ticket. We saw famous places. We saw famous places. I love traveling with my family. I love traveling with my family. This is my first trip. This is my first trip. Where is the train station? Where is the train station? The flight was delayed. The flight was delayed. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Let's take a taxi. Let's take a taxi. I need a map. I need a map. How much is the ticket? How much is the ticket? The hotel is very clean. The hotel is very clean. We are lost. We are lost. Let's ask for help. Let's ask for help. I like sunny places. I like sunny places. He speaks English well. He speaks English well.